Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF. And this is a video tour of 3917 22nd Street. Okay, fantastic. This is located in Noe Valley, just up the hill from the Castro neighborhood. And here we are. This is Noe Valley. Lots to see and do, and food and drink. There is a Whole Foods right down the hill, and a lot of other wonderful food, drink, and shopping options. All right, excellent. This is the exterior of the building, and owners are really nice. Let's just go ahead and take a look around. The street is 22nd Street. That's Castro Street right down there. All right. On a bit of a hill, but a very, very lovely street. And beautiful landscaping, gorgeous homes. Pretty easy street parking right in front of the building. As mentioned, owners are really nice. Jeff and Gary are really nice. Okay, see this door right in front of us? That actually goes to the laundry and to the storage. There's a pretty sizable storage area. It looks like packages are simply just delivered here on the steps. Probably pretty safe if they keep doing it, so not a lot of packages disappear. All right, this is a top floor unit, so let's go ahead and step on up. Now, by the way, you can get down to the laundry through the back steps, which is basically just winds around, and essentially it's 3 floors down. Okay, now this is a pet-friendly unit. We're on the very top. There's 2 units on the top. 4 units total in the building. Nice blue door coming in. And this unit is not furnished, but the current tenant was kind enough to allow me to film, and she has it decorated quite nicely, in my opinion. Okay, well, this will give you an idea how you can lay it out. Now, she's using it as a 1-bedroom, but a lot of times people use it as a 2-bedroom. So that would be pretty cool. Let me just take a look at the view here. Really pretty, another lovely day. So this would be considered a front bedroom, or could be considered a formal living room. This is the 2nd bedroom, but let's swivel around, take a look at the front. So this would be a little larger. I do have all the room dimensions on the website. Beautiful light in this top floor unit. Small closet, kind of a corner closet right here. Two double hung windows and a little bit larger closet right there. Tub shower combination with a window in the restroom. Track lighting in the hallway, great for art. Beautiful, cozy living room / den right off the kitchen. There's a plate rail that goes all the way around, and sometimes people lean art up against them, but I like what this person did is make it kind of like a bookshelf, which is kind of pretty. There is a closet inside of here. Additional closet space. Kitchen includes dishwasher. I believe it does have a garbage disposal. The fan is vented out. Gas range. And there's a little shared little porch right outside of the door. Really quite pretty. Little potted plants, the chairs, quite adorable. And a nice little view from the backyard. There is no backyard here, but you have a nice view of other people's backyard. Those stairs go down to the laundry and the storage in the basement, or you can use the front stairs. Okay, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching and best of luck in your home search.